The last part of the question, the sixth part, healthcare and welfare. And with this, we'll end our session. What are the Islamic guidelines for ensuring healthcare and welfare for all citizens in a country like Bangladesh? How can Islamic charitable organizations in Bangladesh be more effective in providing social services? Please, for the sake of Allah, answer this question live on social media. What are the Islamic guidelines for healthcare and welfare? Again, the guidelines of the Quran, the Hadith, and see to it that you give proper healthcare, unlike USA where you have to go to insurance and riba-based insurance, and many times you get stuck and you don't get treatment. But see countries like Malaysia, mashallah, the hospitals for the citizens are excellent and they're very effective. So use the Baitul Mal or Zakat to solve this problem. And if the Bangladesh is poor, you give them free treatment. You have hospitals that take care of the poor people, and whatever disease that's prevalent, it's the birthright of a human being that he gets the basic treatment. So if you apply the Islamic principles, you'll be more successful, unlike applying the principles of the others, where you'll lose more in Akhirah as compared to dunya. So the basic answer is, for all the 6 points, follow Quran and Sunnah. Follow the Quran and the teachings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well as the Sahih Hadith.